Hey YouTube, it is 6:42 p.m. on Monday, the 30th of January 2023. We are just here at Cloverdale Mall. Hey YouTube, it is 6:42 p.m. on Hey YouTube, it's Patrice Sunflower here. And I'm here this evening at the Cloverdale Mall here in Etobicoke, Ontario, Canada. Just off the 427 in Dundas. Oh, and I thought I would share this with you today. Bell Payphones. Look at these guys. These look like original early 1990s Bell Payphones. With the texting edition, you can see you can text if you need to, which is really, really cool. So maybe we can hear the sound. If you can hear that. Very cool to see that. And now let's check the other one out. Dial some numbers together. Indeed, very cool to see this. I don't normally see payphones in the shopping mall, and it seems to be also a light that used to be there at one point. I don't think that it's operating at the moment. But there was a light at one point, so you could see actually the numbers that you were dialing. Super convenient, obviously, if you wanted to make a telephone call with a card and you didn't have the 50 cents to insert, you could definitely do that. One of the nice things about payphones that we used to have prior to the 1995 or 93, when these ones came in, I remember. I was probably 18 or 19 years old when we got these ones. Before that, we used to be able to make phone calls, and you could actually receive phone calls at the payphones, and they would ring. They actually had incoming calls. They were allowed. But now, as you can see, it's actually outgoing calls only, which is kind of sad because let's say you wanted to just, make a call or receive a call, you actually have to pay for it, and that's fine and everything. But back then, not everybody had a cell phone in the 90s. I know I didn't until probably 1997 or 98. I had a Nokia back then, and I was with Fido. But anyway, just thought I would share that little bit of information with you about the payphones. So I'm gonna do a little walk around the mall here. So far, so good. I smell smoke in here. I can't believe someone would be smoking in the mall. You're not allowed to smoke in the mall. And I can really smell it strong. Maybe someone smoked near the door. Anyway. Oh, and here's a nice seating area if you wish to sit down. So that's really cool. And as you all know or don't know, I thought I would share with you, Cloverdale Mall used to have a Zellers, and previous to that was also a HBC Hudson's Bay store. So that's pretty cool. In fact, I wonder if it's closing soon, because it certainly looks like it's... Oh, maybe it's closing, I'm not sure. Moving stories online. Okay. Interesting. Anyway, guys, I think I'll wrap the video up here or soon. And thank you very much for watching. So guys, I'm continuing my little Cloverdale Mall tour here, and I ended up inside the home hardware store, and I thought I would look at some seeds. See, they have these nice ASMR sound and seeds. And oh, let's look at some lettuce. This is really cool. 340 seeds. Amazing. What else could we plant today? Let's see, how about some onions? Great. Wow, what a great store this is. Let's see what else there is. There's cards. You can buy socks, bottles. Gosh, everything's here. Let's see. These are kind of cool. They're shopping buggies. They're groceries, so your hands don't get all, you know, tied up with groceries when you're bringing them home. Super handy to have. Pears hand soap. Nice. Oh, this is cool. An LED book light. Okay. Trying to find you guys something interesting to look at. Okay, if you're doing some gardening, these are really cool gardening knee pads for $10.99. Keep your knees comforted. Oh, let's see. What else is there? Okay. More soap and lotions. A glass dome for your cheese and your figs, your cheese and your grapes. That's good. And if you want to store your iced tea or perhaps some nice macaroni salad and some olives. Very good. And for the kids, you can keep their jelly beans in here. That's great. And some pumpkin seeds. Oh, this is nice. Miracle sponge. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this up here. Go back out into the mall and continue walking around. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. These are really fun, crunchy sounding lunch bags. Punch.